Juana Sortre Vazquez sits on her soaked couch in what remains of her home, destroyed by Hurricane Maria, in the San Lorenzo neighborhood of Morovis, Puerto Rico. AP Juana Sortre and William Fontan Quintero pose to what is left of their belongings. AP Julia Rivera gets up from the makeshift bed in the porch of her house as her children sleep, in Morovis, Puerto Rico. A teddy bear sits on the belongings of the Sortre family. AP Juana Sortre and William Fontan Quintero clean their house. AP Angel Luis Sortre Vazquez walks into his sister's house destroyed by Hurricane Maria, in the San Lazaro neighborhood of Morovis, Puerto Rico. AP Ramon Sortre Vazquez, back, drinks coffee next to his brother Angel Luis, next to a flag of the United States in what is left of his house destroyed by Hurricane Maria. A woman washes her clothes with water from the mountain, while Ramon Sortre Vazquez walks with his dog AP Juana Sortre and William Fontan Quintero clean what is left of their house, destroyed by Hurricane Maria. AP Salvador Sortre Vazquez enter, and his brother Angel Luis walk on the mountain in direction in what is left of their house. AP up next, San Lazaro, Puerto Rico. Several generations of the Sortre family rode out Hurricane Maria in a neighbor's concrete home, listening to ferocious wind flinging wood and other debris against the roof, and hoping it wasn't pieces of their own wooden houses. Their hopes were crushed when they emerged the morning after the storm passed over the homes in this small mountain town in Puerto Rico. When I saw the house, I felt immense sadness, because I lost everything I had gained with the sacrifices made over the years, said Juana Sortre. She said her house, her mother's and those of her siblings were destroyed. The whole family lost everything, she said. Since then, townspeople have struggled to get by. The electricity is out, and they are cut off, because a bridge linking them to the community of San Lazaro was washed away. Neighbors are helping each other the best they can. People are eating only once a day and drinking a lot of coffee. Some people are sleeping in cars. Julia Rivera lost part of her house, and the school, where she normally has a job, has been damaged. She said she is thinking about moving off the island.